Welcome, children of the Most High God Ministries. So today's reading good news will be coming from Psalms 23, 1 through 6. That's the whole 23rd Psalms. The title, The Lord, the Shepherd of His People, a Psalm of David. 1. The Lord is my shepherd, I shall not want. 2. He makes me to lie down in green pastures. He leads me beside the still waters. 3. He restores my soul. He leads me in the path of righteousness for his name's sake. 4. Yea, though I walk through the valley of the shadow of death, I will fear no evil, for you are with me. Your rod and your staff, they comfort me. 5. You prepare a table before me in the presence of my enemies. You anoint my head with oil. My cup runs over. 6. Surely goodness and mercy shall follow me all the days of my life, and I will dwell in the house of the Lord forever. I have read to you the 23rd Psalms, 1 through 6. May God bless the hearers, the readers, but most of all the doers of his said word. Y'all have a wonderful and blessed day in the Lord.
Oh, it's love.
This is Children of the Most High God Ministries.
I could hardly speak. Peace so unexplainable. I could hardly think as you call me. Deeper still as you call me. Deeper still as you call me. Deeper still into love. Love, love, you're a good, good father. It's who you are, it's who you are, it's who you are, and I'm loved by you. It's who I am, it's who I am, it's who I am. You're a good, good father.